Good morning everyone, my name is Sushant Arjal and I am currently studying Bachelor of Information Technology at Federation University. Today I am going to give the presentation about the importance of cloud and mainframe technology in banking sector. Bank is a financial institution that is involved in receiving deposit from customers and creating credit. There are different services of bank. One of the most important services of bank is online banking. Online banking is an electronic payment system that helps the customer for the transaction of the money over the internet. Instead of traveling to different branches, customer can easily manage money online through computer or mobile phone. They are inexpensive and are better for tracking daily spending. The next function of banking, the next function of bank is providing various transaction account. Various banks such as Commonwealth Bank, Westpac Bank are offering different account designed for the each of customer mm, to make or receive money through cash, check, debit card, credit card. The next services of bank is merchant services. It is specially designed for the businesses that allows the business to accept a secure payment system through encrypted channel. Uh, Nowadays, spoofing, unencrypted data, malware, manipulated data, non-secure third-party services has become the biggest threat. And for overcoming this, investigation for security measures in long-term solutions and properly training the employees, mm, uh, uh, applying different authentication techniques and using the combination of security measures, mm, deploying technology to defend the threats can be done for the IT security in banking. There are three types of workload. There are three types of workload. One of the most important workload is batch workload. It is designed to operate the huge volume of data, which helps to make the data well documented and predictable. It is rarely time sensitive and are executed based on the daily regular schedule. Transaction and the next ICT workload is transactional workload. It is designed for processing transaction. It is designed for relating it is designed for processing and controlling transaction related to bank, which help to make efficient bank cash management, credit card transaction and the management of corporate client management system. The next ICT workload is analytical workload. This workload helps to deliver more personalized product for the customer in short period of time. It is based for forecasting and predictive for predicting. In analytical workload can be very complex and resource intensive comparative to other workload. The next topic is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand availability, which uses internet and central remote server for maintaining data and application. It is big shift from traditional way for the utilization and mobilization of the IT resources for the benefit of the organization and to complete the specific task. One of the one of the most important benefit of cloud computing is that it is economical. The unnecessary capital expenses and the large cost in the infrastructure can be reduced with the help of cloud computing. The next benefit of cloud computing is resiliency. Resiliency frameworks present in cloud computing are amazingly valuable for bank and monetary enterprises due to the capacity of making a sufficiently wide undertaking SSPT that is incredibly useful for the coherence of a business adventure, which is a significant part of bank and money related venture. The next benefit of cloud computing is the security. The cloud processing framework gives a high level of security, particularly for sensitive information that incorporates client data. The information is encrypted that must go through several authentication to get the data. There are three types of cloud service model. One of them is software as a service model. In this business model, user can access application software and database, and the cloud service provider manages the infrastructure and the platform that runs the application. It is also known as on-demand software. The next cloud service model is platform as a service. In this business model, user can develop and run their software at free of cost, and cloud providers delivers computing platforms such as operating system, programming language, database and web servers. The next is infrastructure as a service. It is the first layer. It is the first layer of cloud. It is the first layer and foundation of cloud computing, where user is access to manage application, data, operating system, middleware, and runtime. This this allows this this allows the this allows the saving of unnecessary expenses that are used for hardware and human capital. For the bank, the best service model can be hybrid cloud engineering to acknowledge benefits, while adjusting prerequisites such as security, consistency, nature of administration, crosswise over different business capabilities. Mainframe. The next topic is mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are primarily used by big organizations for bulk data processing, such as transaction, customer statistic. They have powerful processing and specialized processing for certain type of workload. Because of different features such as huge memory capacity, sharing workload, centralized computing, capable to run multiple OS, supporting time sharing, reliability, and supporting sophisticated operating system. Bank has been using the mainframe mainframe computer for for a long time, for the efficient and effective for the efficient and effective implementation of the banking. Thank you.